With Network, have a dedicated space for a team, subject, or project. All the network members share their Klaxoon activities on a daily basis to work together without any space or time limits. To create Network, click on the button New. The Klaxoon suite of apps appears. Click on the Network icon. Give the network a name in the window that opens, and choose an image from the computer to illustrate it. Readjust the size and position of the image if necessary. Click on Create. Now you are in the Klaxoon Studio, where you can create and customize all your activities. First of all, you can write the objectives of the network and select a color. Be sure to save it. Then you can add members. You can either copy the automatically generated link and share it with your team via email, SMS, or the Klaxoon Questions tool, or invite members by email. Enter email addresses here, then click on Add. You can also add multiple names at once by importing a CSV file. Now, select the addresses and click on Send Email Invitation. By doing so, only those directly invited will have access to the network. Then, via the email received, everyone easily joins the network, fills in his or her credentials, and connects. Each member of the network can access the activities and publish them on their own. Just click on the New button and select, for example, Article. Fill in a title, add a picture, a link to a video, or an external document. Enter your text here and click on Publish. Everyone can then comment on the article. At every moment from the home page of the network, you can organize activities as you want to. Filter by date, status. Show them as a list view or a grid view. Order the activities by theme or creation date. It's entirely up to you. Network members can share all types of activities by clicking on the range of applications and then the appropriate icon. You can create as many networks as you have projects as a team. Thanks to Network, teamwork continues outside of meetings. In the office as well as remotely, the team follows Network's activity and grows together.